Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, cybersecurity. In this video you will learn how to install GoLang in Linux system or say Kali Linux. This step is same for all Debian-based Linux like Kali, Parrot or Ubuntu also. This is our Kali Linux server where we will install GoLang, so let's follow the steps shows in. First check whether the GoLang is installed or not, just by typing this command. Since GoLang is not installed, we can see the error message shown here. Since GoLang is not installed, we will proceed installation process. Let's update his system first. It will take some time, so let's fast forward the process. Done, updating is done. Next, let's install GoLang by this command. Just press Y, as it will install all required packages. It will take some time, so let's fast forward the process. Done. GoLang installation is done. Now let's verify again. Well, we can see, the Lang is already installed. Since we can easily install GoLang using option 1, there is no need to proceed, option 2. But if you can install GoLang by option 1, you can definitely proceed option 2. If you again find any issue, feel free to comment.